Hi, so this is step 2A. This step deals with sound circles, and the students are going to build sounds. So in your lesson plan, you're going to put that you're using card 1. What this means is when you prepare at night, your teacher guide has your spelling test. Your spelling tests for the day are going to be right here. And, hold on a second. For the spelling test, I've got 50 words to select from. So what I'm going to do is write them on an index card. And I'm going to call it page 1. So I'm going to pick bed, hat, lid, and rim. And I'm going to write them on here. What I'm also going to do is change out the last letter, the vowel, or the first letter. So bed, bad, lad, dad. Hat, mat, map. Lid, lip, lap. You have 5 minutes for this exercise. So what you're going to do after you have this on this index card, you're going to take your sound circles out and have them on a whiteboard. I have the violet I call for my vowels. And then I have the orange are the consonants. So ask the student, say bed, and they're going to say bed. Let's tap out the sounds with our fingers. B, e, d, bed. How many sounds? 3. So let's pull down those sounds. B, e, d. Then you're going to have the student point to each sound and then put the finger under all of them. B, e, d, bed. Good. So bed becomes bad. What changed? Oh, the middle. What is that? The vowel. So e became a. Put that. And I always look at my little card because it gets confusing when you're tutoring. The e becomes a. Take another vowel down and point. B, a, d, bad. Okay, so bad becomes lad. What changes? And they're going to want to say the first sound. So you repeat to them. So the b becomes ul. So we're going to take the b away and put ul. So let's point to each sound. Ul, ad, lad. Good. Let's do one more. Lad becomes dad. What changes? The last sound. Oh, wait, the first sound changed. So take the ul away and put d. D, ad, dad. If they say something about, well, how come we're just replacing the same letter with the same color, one circle with the same color, we're just going to tell them because we're changing the neural pathways in your brain. It works, just do it. So anyway, so you're going to go through the other words on your paper, and then once you finish that list, you'll create a second list for the next day from the same spelling list. When the student is ready to advance to test number 2, then you're going to be picking the words off of that test. But you have to know ahead of time what tests they're going to be taking the next day so you know what spelling test to take the words from. So that's the end of step 2A, and hope you're enjoying this.